It's 9 July 2019. I'm watching the World Cup semi-final. India versus New Zealand. India's top batting order has failed miserably. India is on 215 for 7 wickets. 25 runs needed. The remaining are 10 balls and a hope. A man. All of the India guys are on just that one man. Mahendra Singh.
Dhoni goes big, helping. I think it's big enough. It is! Oh man, just by a matter of inches.
Lockie Ferguson bowls a short ball. Dhoni fails for a pull. The batsmen take one. Dhoni tries for a second. Guptill runs upon from the back, takes up the ball and a direct hit. A direct hit into the hopes of Indian fans. It's 19:29 hours. Dhoni gets run out. Two inches away from the World Cup, and India lose. It was a moment where every Indian cried. The hopes were shattered, expectations crushed, and the trust lost. India was out of the World Cup. And then it felt like Team India never rose. Retirement of Dhoni. Our heroes losing their forms. Back-to-back injuries of our star players. We could see them trying on the field so hard, but yet on the crease falling apart. T20 World Cup 2021 lost. T20 World Cup 2022 lost. Asia Cup 2022 lost. World Test Championship 2023 lost. A bad phase in the history of Indian cricket. Our heroes, once celebrated, now faced relentless trolling from fans. The very team that was once a source of pride was branded as losers and hopebreakers. Fans, once full of expectations, now felt a void. The optimism was replaced by a prevailing sense of melancholy. Our heroes were not only battling on the field, but also the criticisms coming from their own fans. Every player was subjected to the relentless trolling. Once beloved by their fans, they were now bombarded with the hurtful words on the social media. Every missed catch, every loss was met with the harsh comments. Names were called, dedication was questioned, and the past glories were forgotten. That change was a pain, as adoration turned into disdain. But then came the Asia Cup 2023, marking the return of our injured players and the injured forms of our star players. And then India rose. We played like the champions from the very start till the very end. From a fearful team who lost against Pakistan by 10 wickets to the fearless team who won against the same nation by 226 runs. Each and every player proved why India is the number one, gaining the hopes, gaining the expectations, gaining the trust of every Indian fan back. India won the Asia Cup 2023. Today, every player is at their prime. We have the experience of legends like Virat and Rohit. We have the fire of talents like Surya and Ishan. We have the unbeatable Shubman Gill and the unplayable Mohammad Siraj. Our team is World Cup ready, and so are we. We stand by your Team India, cheering you on to bring that World Cup where it truly belongs. Home, India. Go for it, Team India. We SubtleUp fam and the entire nation extend our heartfelt wishes to Team India. CHAK de, go for it. All the best, Team India.
Proud of you, Team India. Go for it. All the best.
Wishing Team India all the very best. Hope you all win. Go for it.
All the best Team India. Check the India.
तो जनाब खबर मिली है कि वर्ल्ड कप करीब है तो टीम इंडिया ऑल द बेस्ट चेक द इंडिया बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप
Just go for it and let's make the trophy all ours. All the best, Team India. Let's make the trophy ours. All the best, Team India. Just go for it.
ऑल द बेस्ट टीम इंडिया
All the best Team India.
Let's go, India. Chak India. Best of luck, Team India. Best Team India. Go for it. Shine bright and bring home the World Cup.
we win let's hope we bring back the trophy let's go India check the India
All the best, Team India, for the World Cup. We're gonna win. All the best, Team India. Waiting for you to get the trophy.
Let's go Team India. All the best Team India.
Team India, all the best for the World Cup. Let's go become the champions once again.
All the best Team India. Wishing you all the best Team India. Hit it hard and play it smart. Go for it.
All the best Team India. I know you will win.
All the best Team India. Hoping for the best. Just go for it.
May Team India perform the best and bring glory to the nation. All the best Team India.
नतीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूखा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले
India!